Whitewater Rafting Adventure. Go to www.gotwhitewater.com and book the reservation. They have 1-day trip and 2-day trip. Best advice is to choose the 2-day trip and add the Friday night camping. Friday, arrive in the afternoon. Check in, set up your tent, relax. Enjoy the views of river. Dinner included. Movie at night at the river. Very fun. Saturday, wake up in the morning. Breakfast is ready waiting for you to be served. After breakfast, the bus take you up the mountain about 13 miles. When you get to point to start rafting, they will give you the orientation. You can pick your raft too. You on your own raft, no need instructor. You raft down the current, very fun as you can see in this video. You can stop anywhere to have on the river. Lunch is included. Then you continue again. So much fun. Until the last point is your campsite. Dinner at the campsite and is included. At night there is a disco dance until you're tired and go to sleep. Sunday, wake up in the morning, breakfast is ready waiting for you. After breakfast, the bus take you up the mountain again for rafting, same as Saturday. When you get back to the campsite, fun is over. Pack your stuff and get ready to come back home.
Băng tờ rô phum na, băng miên phum na ớt nó ớt lên khơi nước mặn muối.
Ơi, ở đây thơm mà dùng từ rộp lên cái tên khơi nữa rồi.
Nè, tao tạm phải nói chắc là không chuột phum kê đây.
Cho xây kia mà cái chọc cái hòm nó được bật lắc lên này.
Ơi, điên à ha. Ớt là nắng vô bà đào giờ.
Hay ông tu cái vơ trong hình. Go. You get stuck?
Mong watch out, watch out. That was a good one.
My head gone.
Watch out, Mom, watch out. Watch out, watch out, good. Push, 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 watch out.
Watch out the bird. I'm cold.